Okay, so today we're going to do a special experiment, a nice experiment about... Right, colorful rain. It's good for the beginning of the fall, which was just 2 days ago. Right. That's right, so it's a good time to begin. So what we do, we take a little bit of oil. It becomes cold in the winter. We're gonna put some oil. And so you... No. Wait, we need to put food coloring. And now we put just a few drops of food coloring. Wait with this. Here. Put just a few drops into the oil. And you can put a few drops of red into the oil. So, good. Good. Now you can switch. Very nice. I don't think we need the yellow. Now you take, right, exactly, mix it with the fork. The fork is gonna break the food coloring into little bits and pieces. Let me try to do also a little bit. Good. Let me try to do it also. Good. Right, now give me your forks. Give me your forks. And wait with the oil. Wait for all that. Okay, now we're gonna take it very slowly and pour it on top of the water. Come, let's pour it together on top of the water, slowly. And you see, the oil floats. It doesn't sink, the oil floats. And then we're gonna see the food coloring rain down. And here, let's show how nicely. Well, here, no. Here. Let's see how nicely. And look at the red and the blue. Go down and do rain. We've got rain. It's raining colors. Very nice. Also, Yahav has a little bit red.